What's up, YouTube? My box finally came from StockX. I ordered the Michael Jordan SB in the Lightbone color. Never seen these came with that. Feel me? Come your typical Jordan 1 Air box. Air Jordan 1. High OG Defiant. Retail, suggested retail is $175. Got this in 9.5. Now I ordered this pair on the 9th and it came, I think today's the 16th. It's pretty good. As you see, StockX. The receipt. And it say now that you're a StockX regular, a few things to remember: free shipping after every 5 purchases. Selling is dead simple. See the paper? Came double wrapped. 2 different papers. What y'all think? Let me know. Also, make sure y'all subscribe. Get me to 70 subscribers. Let's get to 100 likes. Leave some comments. Let me know what y'all think. Comes with your 4 different shoelaces. The hot pink, gray, crimson tint, and already the black one. Got your regular shoe tree. Pink, hot punch, so white side panels. Now some things to know. As you wear this shoe, this gray part, this part, this and this, all turns into the, I say like this color pink right here. Then all the black, this right here, all this turns into like this type of pink, you feel me? Pretty dope shoe. It's also a Chicago, no wait, it's a Lakers to Chicago pair. I'll try to show you guys a picture, you feel me? Let me know what you guys think.